So I'm getting ready to fly at about midday today, and it's a bit windy. There's an onshore breeze, 20, 25, maybe higher kilometers an hour. So this is one I normally use with the 20 amp ESCs. It's been really great and reliable. This is the one I kitted up specially to fly in confined spaces with trees with bumpers on it. And at the moment it's just got standard ESCs, and I just use 2S cells. And this is my first attempt at replacing standard ESCs, and it's got generic SimonK ESCs, 10 amp. It's been okay so far, but its sister, which was the black Syma X8, ran into what appeared to be desync problems, so I'm a little nervous about it. But since I'm flying in marginal conditions, I think I'll take the cover and the camera off my best one and pop it on this one. So that's the plan for today. Okay, out to the shed where I've got the second of the 3S batteries I'm going to use today on charge, and then onto the workbench where I'm going to swap over the components to fly the bug that's been shelled for a bit. Right, step one is take the cover off this one. And all I have to do is undo the power supply, which I might come in a bit on this. Okay, undo the power supply here. So the camera's been powered, camera and video transmitter's been powered from the Bugs 3 board. So just pull that out. It's got that disconnected. And then I just have to pull out the camera, which is embedded in this block of foam, and that's it. So I've got the transmitter on the top, the camera there, and then it just goes across to the other one. So there's the cover. Just pop the camera straight in there. And then I just need to connect up the power supply to the outlet on this one. A minor difference between the motherboards, the flight control boards here, is the plug connectors for the power is vertical on that one, while on this one here they come out horizontally, which I think is a better fix, but it doesn't make too much difference. As you can see here, 20 amp ESCs there, 10 amp ESCs over in this one. So all I have to do now is to transfer the props across and I'll be in business. And so it goes. Of course the other thing is to pop the cover on. Oh, and put the antenna through the hole. This one I've taken the little clips. I've taken the little clips out of it. I don't have these anymore, but then it's got Velcro holding the thing together, holding the battery on, plus more Velcro to hold the camera. So now it's just a matter of putting the battery on. I'll use a little bit of this stuff to give it a bit of grip. Goes in there. That helps push the camera out a bit, like that. And that's about it. Leave that there, so the antennas are lying flat so that they'll lie in the bag, and then when I'm ready to go I'll just erect it all and have them vertically. So that's all a changeover between the two Bugs valves. take it up a little bit again and